Hello miners. This is a single row 20 feet miner container, which is in straight line. As you can see, the shutters can be opened or closed. Inside is a hot and cold isolation cloth, which is blacked according to different mining machine models. Once the mining machine comes out, it is ready to go. The container can make full use of the cool air in the inner space, and will not allow the hot gas back into the container, so when it works can perform well. This is the hot air zone. When the mining machines work, they will blow out through the louvers. After blowing it out, hot and cold isolation can be isolated from hot air backflow. That is we call hot air in the miner box anti-backflow, so that the interior gets a good circulation of air conditioning cool down the mining machine. Its temperature doesn't rise and is generally kept below 20 to 28 degrees. You can save a lot of power and electricity by not using the fan. To make full use of electricity for mining so as to achieve more economical and efficient operation, let us walk around the box. This side is the entrance. This side is water curtain. It is belong to the cold wind zone. The water curtain is cooled by water which flows down into the curtain. The alternation of hot and cold produces cold air. Cooling is carried out after absorbing cold air through the miner box. This is the distribution box. Go through the back side of our miner box. Just take it off and plug it in. You can see the main circuit breaker to the branch circuit breaker current distribution. Our miner box assembled according to North American electrical requirements and certificated by UL standard. This is the switch. The switch is placed in upper and lower layers. This is the American standard PDU segmented run. On the left are 9 sockets. There are also 9 sockets on the right side. Each shelf can hold 9S19 mining machines. Our cable layout is according to the lower layer of the miner box. Line up from this bottom frame, hidden and very effective. Through this, you can reach the steel column of the shelf through the square column cable slot into our PDU row. Our design is very intelligent, scientific and easy to operate. This side is water curtain. It is belong to the cold wind zone. The water curtain is cooled by water which flows down into the curtain. The alternation of hot and cold produces cold air. This side is a distribution box. The distribution box is designed and manufactured according to US standards. All electrical appliances are UL certified assembled out. Assembled according to US process and standards. Its control program is controlled by a handler. This is 800 main circuit controller, 2-loop center. Then the output breaker controls the PDU bar. A 150 circuit breaker controls a PDU bar. It is assembled according to this configuration. Outside are the lights required by US standard. This is the pilot light. This is a multifunctional free current meter. You can use this to see if the current voltage is normal. It can also be controlled remotely by your phone. Finally, display metering. We can easily know the electricity consumption of the miner box. The current and voltages can be shown obviously. Introduction of electrical appliances and internal configuration. Our miner box can hold 216 sets of S19 miner boxes. At the same time, our mining machine is assembled type mining machine can save freight. The way we assemble it is normally invisible. The connection of the side frame is in this position. There are 2 screws on it. It is hidden and silver. It is as rigid as welding. Very high strength and very tight resistance. A 40-feet high container can hold 6 sets of our 20-foot miner boxes. Investors and miners can save a lot of shipping costs by this design. The layout of the network cable is like this, arranged from the top down. Cables are the same from top to bottom too, unlike the other producers who set net as a spider web. Our web is very net and strictly according to the American Electrical Safety Standard.